What's up, guys? It is the 14th, Valentine's Day, and plans have changed. I was supposed to go mountain biking today, but as you can see, it is rainy outside. It was a really nice morning. I was about to head to the trails. I was actually looking for the trails on the app, and it just started raining. Pretty bad. So, scratch the mountain biking. We're just trying to make some money today. As you can see, Ethereum made that little move up, and I actually did play it, but I messed up on some of my positions because I was hedging, and because we could still go up to like this area right here to clear out these liquidations. You can't really see it on that one. Oh, I guess they're leaving. Alright, so I guess we don't really have as much potential to go up as we did earlier. Looks like people are closing out their shorts. Or maybe there's just more below. I think that's what it is. There's just more longs below. So we could still take this out before heading back down, but we're still aiming for that 2608, 2650, and then 2608. Those are our short targets. We're going down. I opened up some shorts, averaged right here. I had some up here because I closed out. I had a long and I closed it out here, and then I was riding the short back down because I still had shorts open too. And I would have made that money back, so I would have been another like 400 or 500 up. But I started trading with emotion rather than logic, thinking that we're going to go up here. Just a quick little spike. We still can. I expect, since this double top is playing out, we'll probably have something similar to this. So spike up down to 2796. And that's where most of those things were. We didn't quite make it, so I'm not quite sure on what it's going to do. We might be spiking up right now to get back above, but if we make a double bottom right here, I will open up some longs just to scalp to up here, and then I will close out and then open up some more shorts because we're still riding down to like this area. Looks like it's going to be a consolidation. I don't know if we're going to have real quick up and downs, but market is still bearish, meso, macro bullish. See, the stochastic RSI has bottomed out, but this wave trend oscillator is still facing down. So I still think there's some room to go. I think we'll either bounce here or here. If we bounce here at 2730, we'll probably go up and clear out those liquidations. But if we bounce here down at like 2688, we'll probably just spike up to like 2730 and then start our way back down. That's just what makes sense to me. I did something. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I'm at Best Buy right now. Because I just bought a Starlink Mini. It's $540. Forgot about tax, so now I'm going to go onto the Starlink app and get it all set up while we watch this chart. shit. Okay, that seems to be good. Alrighty. Let's see what it does here at this 2730. Woo! Give myself some room. Oh, there's more. Oh guys, look how cute it is. Can fit in my backpack. Looks like we broke 2730. Going down to 2722 at least. Maybe back up to match this, and then we're going back down. And then we'll see what it does in this fair market value gap. Actually, there's one right here we'll probably hit. Yeah, we might bounce right here, fill in this gap a little bit, and then go back down here. And if we can ride back up from here, that'd be bullish. But if we're already going down here, I mean, it just makes more sense for these lower numbers. Alright, I gotta figure out how to set this up. Nice long cord. What does this do? I don't know what that does, but I'll figure it out later. What the heck? I thought it was just a type C. Okay, that's dumb. I was told that you could plug this in through like that's the Ethernet. I was thinking I could plug this in through like a type C. I didn't know I needed this. It's not that big of an issue, but it kind of is. If I'm going to be backpacking, I need it. Let me see if I can find a converter or something. Or how about we just use my inverter for now and then look that up later. Start setup. I got the mini. Confirm. Fancy. Doesn't stay in there very well. Too many cords in here. Ooh, it's on. There for now. Okay, what's going on here? There we go. Starlink, yeah. Connected to the Starlink. Starlink. What should I name it? Wi-Fi on the fly? Pretty fly for a Wi-Fi? I'm gonna say Wi-Fi on the fly. Wi-Fi on the fly. I like that. That was a good first option. Nailed it on the first shot. I'm up $200 from when I first started the stream. That's cool. Candle's looking bearish. Applying my Wi-Fi settings real quick. Plug my phone in. It is now sleeting in Santa Fe. Would not want to be mountain biking in this. I'd rather be setting up a Starlink. I do need to get a longer cord though, so I can plug my Orange Pi directly into the Starlink. We'll do some tests to see how fast it is. Oh, speed test. Guess I can't do the speed test unless it's downloaded. I guess I can't do any of that until I'll probably scalp this when it gets to the top of this fair market value gap here, 2708. Or maybe I'll just open a long. Probably what I'll do. I'll open a separate long to play it back up to that 2742 retest. I guess that's more of a 2745, 2747. Yeah, 2747. Hurry up and download. I can't do anything because my phone's still connected to the Starlink internet. First trades on the Starlink internet in 5 minutes? So this is where we're looking for it to hit and then bounce. Oh, it went through. Now would probably be a good time to open a long and a scalp. Okay, it's going through. Okay, so then we're aiming down here. screen's doing weird shit. I'm now installing the update. We're looking for a come up right here and then a rejection. Just send it down here. We'll come up and test. So maybe we'll go to the bottom of this and that'll create like a slanted head and shoulders. And that would line up this with like over here after we hit. That's why. It was on the wrong one. Yeah, maybe I should have opened right there. Okay, looks like it's going down. Damn, Starlink is... What's the speed test on this? $111 download speed and a 13.5 upload speed. Running the test again just to make sure. 137 and 15. Alright, my megabytes per second keep on going up. I'm almost at 200 now. It's at 170. Maybe the satellites are honing in or something. I don't know. $159 and 15. Oh, the upload's increasing. It went up to like 20 something. I wonder how much this is gonna be. I heard that if you're in a city or a town, your speeds are gonna be lower, but the more rural you are, the higher your speeds are. So 131 down and 16.1 up. We are officially running on the Starlink. I need to activate an account though. It says I have 1 hour before it will deactivate the internet. Guess it gives you like an hour to set up. Yeah, it sucks I didn't get to go mountain biking today. That would have been fun. It's looking like it wants to do that bounce. But it also looks like it wants to fall farther, so... Yeah, if you look at the 5 minute, it looks like it's wanting to... Oh, it's a 6 minute. Yeah, it's looking like it's wanting to bounce. I'm gonna scalp along here, I think. So I just put in a long. Let's see if it holds. So we're going to aim for like right here to close that long. Right here. Let's see if it can get a bounce here. This will be the first live trading I'm doing with y'all guys. I know it's just some scalping, but maybe it'll teach you how to read a graph a little bit. Yeah, see this fair market value gap right here? In between here and here? How these wicks don't touch? How this wick right here doesn't touch this wick? See how these wicks, like this one and this one and this one, they're all touching? This is all filled in. So we can go up here, we'll make another 300, 250 bucks, something like that. And if I do that, if I make that scalp, I'll go inside right now and I'll buy the action for. I'm playing Ethereum on a 150x leverage play. while we're waiting for that, I will go in and activate new account. I don't really have an address. Guess I'll use my... So I'm just setting up my account right now. I chose the Roam. And we will do the unlimited. And look, I'm using my Apple Pay Coinbase card. See that? Paying with crypto. Coinbase. Oh shit. I just showed you my phone number. Oops. Must be 12 characters. Damn, I need a 12-character password. Bet, that was easy. My Starlink is set up. It's a bit of a mess right now, but I bet I can consolidate into this backpack. I wonder what kind of speeds it gets in the backpack. Let's see. This is a bit of a clusterfuck. battery saver on. Barely use this thing. 20%. Okay. Might not work in the backpack. Might have to mount it to the backpack. See back here and see what that is. Looks like this long is playing out alright. As expected, it bounced at the top of this fair market value gap. It did dip into it a little bit, but nothing major. Oh shit. No! I turned it off. Oh my god. Why did it use that email? God damn it. So go ahead, better that way. Yeah, it's getting shitty speeds right now. I don't know what the deal is. It was getting a lot better a second ago. I'll do, after I play this scalp out, I'll do a test run stream with the Starlink. Oh, I have to connect to the Starlink, that's why. There we go. Yeah, back at 100. So that's faster than my phone. That's crazy. Dude, stop doing that! Oh my god. Dude, my car, like the screen, is delaminating, so sometimes it just has a mind of its own. And like, it won't let me press anything, but it will like press a bunch of random shit. Weirdest thing. It's like a ghost is controlling my car. I need to get it fixed, but it's like $1,200. And like a 6-month wait list for that part. It's actually ridiculous. At 180 megabytes per second for a while. Oh. You broke past. Oh yeah, so that's plenty. Oh, nice. I'm gonna close out that scalp. Look at that, 250 bucks. Let's see if it keeps going. Because the way it went below this, I guess it could have went above that. It could keep going. That's a tough one to call. We'll see what this next 5-minute candle does before we close out. And we'll close out. Could just rip from here, but so we played from like right here to right here. Quick $250 on $200 in. If it starts going up anymore, I'll open up a long again and really play it. And I'll close out these shorts that I have. $28.20. I would hit that and clear out the liquidations. We could see that happen here if it doesn't get rejected at this spot that it's at now. expect it to come back down and like validate this breakout before it did that first though. Is this a hanging man? No. Nice. Alrighty. $5 looks like it wants to come down, at 15 looks like it wants to go up, so we have to wait at least another 5 minutes before that validates. Let's see what this does. Because if it invalidates this head and shoulders that was forming right here, then yeah, we're going up to like 28.20. And from there I would short to 26.32, I think it was. 26.08 and 26.68. $26.52. If I would have closed out this short and then played it up, I would have made $500 because I was already up 250 or like 300 or 400 from this move down. So that would have been 300 plus 250, like 550, somewhere in there. Yeah, it looks like it's going to go up. So yeah, broke that structure. If it breaks above this right here, 27.50, then I'll go ahead and open a long and play it up. If it decides to break below here at 27.35, I would consider this a hanging man doji, and we'll be coming back down. is a weird spot for me because I usually play liquidity levels. So when it's in between liquidity levels and has some on both sides and it is kind of neutral, then you really got to think about just like market psychology and big money and what they want to happen and how they want to trick people into doing certain plays and then right before they reverse it. So okay, that's Hanging Man Doji on the 6 minute. If it breaks below this, if it goes any lower, then we're going to keep our shorts open and play them to the 26.68 and 26. Oh wait, what did I put in? That'll be another $800. Okay, unless we want to scalp to here. And then I guess make another long scalp from here to like right here. But we have to have this inverse head and shoulders invalidate, so it needs to get below this line right here. And then it will go back down here, and what should, if things are structurally sound, then it'll come back down to here, come back up and retest this where it broke before coming down, and then probably consolidating in this area for a little bit, maybe down here. And that could just make a bigger head and shoulders that would play down to that 26.08. Yeah, 26.05, that area. Yeah, you guys just learned how to scalp a structure. So you basically see how this, you have this one shoulder here, comes down to make the neckline, goes up to make the head, comes back down to the neckline, goes back up, makes the other shoulder, and it should come back down. And if this doesn't reverse here, then we should see the amount from here to here from the neckline down. That's what I was just testing with that. With this. Which would bring our target to here for this one. But if it makes that bounce here and comes back up and then comes back down, that would then be a target of 2580, somewhere in here. But we're looking for a bounce here back up. So That's crazy. Just that moment from, let's say, the 5-minute. Battery's running low. I'm going to have to end this stream pretty quick. But just in that moment from like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes, $200 in, 450 out, 250 profit. So most people don't even make 250 in a day of hard work. I'm literally just sitting here vaping, setting up a Starlink in my car. Yesterday I was snowboarding, making money on the lifts. I really, really urge you guys to, if you don't know what I'm doing right now and you don't know what's going on, do some research so you can at least follow along. Because this is some of the best money you can make, dude. Yes, it is a very volatile market and anything can happen. But as long as you know where to look and on which data sets you need to look at and pay attention to, the only thing that really drives volatile movement is whale movement. Just a lot of money going in and out at once by large wallets. And if you know how much money of theirs is in the game, and where these liquidity levels, where they make money and where they want the market to go and where they're going to drive the market to make their money, then you shouldn't have a problem playing in it. You just got to swim with the whales. You got to be like those sucker fish, one of those, remoras. Is that what they're called? They like stick to the bottom of like the big fish. Let's see if that Hanging Man Doji on the 6-minute was invalidated. It's got 3 more minutes. If it breaks above this candle here, I would say it's invalidated, but still got half the candle left. Okay, invalidated. Like I said, if it breaks above this previous candle right here, then I'll go ahead and open some longs. But yeah, I gotta end the stream. My computer's about to die. So I will give you guys an update later. You should watch this for yourself.